Welcome back. Today we are diving into a crucial concept in modern compiler technology called link time optimization, or LTO for short. We will explore how it allows compilers to analyze your entire program at once, rather than file by file. To understand LTO, we first need to look at the traditional build process. In languages like C or C++, compilation is usually separate. The compiler takes one source file, converts it into an object file containing machine code, and then moves to the next. Finally, a tool called the linker simply glues these object files together into an executable. The problem with separate compilation is the lack of visibility. When the compiler is working on main.c, it has no idea what is happening inside math.c. It sees a function call, but it cannot see the function's code. This creates an optimization wall. The compiler has to be conservative and keep the function call overhead because it cannot verify if it is safe to optimize it away. Link time optimization solves this by fundamentally changing the workflow. Instead of stopping optimization after the compilation phase, LTO extends it into the linking phase. It gives the compiler a whole program view, allowing it to see every file simultaneously as if they were one giant piece of source code. Here is how it works under the hood. When LTO is enabled, the compiler does not output standard machine code into the object files. Instead, it outputs an intermediate representation, often called bytecode or bitcode. This is a high-level description of the code that retains all the structural information needed for optimization. In the second step, the linker takes over. But instead of just gluing files together, it acts as a massive compiler. It collects all the intermediate code from every file, merges it, and then runs the optimization passes again on this combined unit. This is where the magic happens. One of the biggest benefits is cross-module inlining. Without LTO, if a function is in a helper file, the compiler has to generate a call instruction. With LTO, the compiler can take the code from the helper function and paste it directly into the main function, completely removing the performance cost of the function call. Another major benefit is aggressive dead code elimination. In a standard build, the compiler keeps unused functions because it thinks they might be used by another file it cannot see. With LTO, the tool sees the entire program. If a function is never called by anyone, LTO knows it is safe to delete it entirely, resulting in a smaller executable. Of course, this power comes at a cost. The main advantage is performance. You get faster runtime and smaller executables. However, the trade-off is the build time. Linking becomes a much slower and more memory-intensive process because the computer has to hold the entire program's logic in RAM at once to analyze it. In summary, link time optimization breaks down the artificial barriers between your source files. By deferring optimization until the final link stage, it unlocks performance gains that simply aren't possible with traditional separate compilation. It is a standard feature in modern compilers like GCC and LLVM and essential for high-performance software.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.